My last call with my therapist, she said I need to heal my inner child by doing something that I used to do when I was a kid that I thought was fun. So I told her I used to run through the sprinklers and like play with water balloons. And she said, okay, then you have to do that. So I'm gonna try and trick Jace into coming out here. He's gonna be annoyed because he's like trying to work on something right now. Fill and tie. How do these work? Hold on. Already completely soaked myself. This is so much easier than when I was a kid. Hold on. They just tie already. What the hell? When I was a kid, we had to sit there and tie them. I need to go change. I've got everything wet and I need to trick Jace somehow. Okay, I think I'm just gonna ask him to come help me through the garage. I need to turn the hose off and see what we get. Come on.
Hey, no hose. It's not fair. I'm not dressed for this occasion. I'm wearing socks.
Take them off.
Hey, no hose. Balloons only.
Bruise it. You really done it now? Am I getting in the camera?
No.
Come closer.
Ah! Oh. How are we gonna pick all these up?
Oh, sorry. Are you kidding? You have to use your nails if you want to pop it. Don't smack me on the head, crazy ass. You got balloon in your hair. My camera's all wet. Is it gonna break?
I look like a rat.
I have to actually clean the windows now.
Here we are, day one.
What do you mean day one?
Well, the first time you've ever been to this place. Said we're going into the recording studio that I engineer at. And it's where I'm one day gonna open up my guitar repair shop.
You excited?
I am really excited to show you the space.
My first time seeing Jace's repair shop that he's gonna open.
Oh, I'll show you the bathroom's really cool.
Going to the cool bathroom.
The whole space.
Am I recording my first single in here? Oh.
Lights work. I think it's cool.
Timmy's here. We need something that holds the camera up here. This doesn't work. 1,000,000 degrees outside and it's humid. We just stopped at Target to get a few things and I got a snack. Isn't this cute?
Ding!
What?
You sensed a tone.
I don't get it.
A tone. You said, do I sense a tone? That was a tone. You know, like on your phone. Yeah, you're a little slow.
Mm-hmm.
A little slow. Where are we going?
Sprouts and Trader Joe's, but I'll be really quick. I already know exactly what I need.
So I can sit in the car?
No, don't you want to hang out with me? Got home from grocery shopping, so hungry. And I've decided I need to give all 4 of my dogs a bath. Letty and Ozzy, and even Nixie now, wear these little belly bands a couple hours at a time. Obviously, if they go potty, they get taken off. They like to lift their leg inside. I'm gonna swallow this first so I'm not being rude. These boys like to lift their leg inside and pee on mommy's nice furniture. Not even just furniture, literally anything they can pee on, they will pee on it, no matter what I do. They have full access. They have like a doggy door that goes out to their own like doggy area. And they also have access to like a beautiful front yard with tons of grass and stuff and toys for them to play with. But they still like to tinkle inside. So they haven't been to the groomers in a while. And I try to like wipe them off sometimes, but I just feel like, you know, he's being so sweet. Lenny actually ate a piece of candy a couple days ago. It came in like a PR box and I didn't see it in there. And it was like one of those tiny like flat lollipops. And Lenny found it for me and it's stuck in his little fur right here, like a little chunk of it that he didn't get. And so I think it's time for a bath. Is he not the sweetest boy? Look at him. Can you kiss? Oh my goodness, thank you. Alright, so I'm actually going to take a shower myself, wash my hair, even though like my hair doesn't need to be washed yet. I'm just feeling like, you know, it's about to be the end of the week. I need to like do a full reset for myself. Nixie boy, are you all clean? I feel like I could pass out from washing the dogs. My out of shower routine today, not every day, but today, I put the same outfit back on. Obviously new underwear, but same outfit because this is so clean. I use this in my hair every time. It's the Redken United, One United. I spray that in my hair and then I just blow dry my bangs. I don't even brush the rest of my hair sometimes because I feel like when it's wet, I know that when it's wet it's like at its easiest to like break, so I don't brush it. Blow dry my bangs, put on my perfume. This is the one I always put on out of the shower. And I'll like layer it with different things. This is Juliet Has a Gun, not a perfume. I'm so out of breath from washing the dogs. And Rue had a bath. Rue had a bath and ran right outside into the dirt and had to have a second bath. Did you see what I got you?
No.
Did you see?
No.
Were you peeking?
No.
Open.
Fruit Brute. All right.
Isn't that your favorite one?
I like that one. They don't always have that one.
I thought you were going to be a little bit more excited, but I guess not. Could not be less enthusiastic. Oh, did you see what Spirit Halloween sent me?
I did see the gremlin.
You saw it already? Look at this. Because I'm doing a Greta look with them this year. So they sent me a Gizmo Squishmallow type thing. Gizmo bobblehead in the sports car.
Yeah, something has a remote control car.
I've got the Gremlins cup. And the grand finale, the Gremlins are coming. Fleece throw.
Wow, they went all out.
They said, you want to do Greta Gremlin? Say less. Nixie, is that you?
That's cute.
Smells like wet Nick out here. Why didn't Dad dry you off? You're the worst at grooming.
And then you put him back in the shower and then he got wet again.
No, that's not what happened. It's not the truth, Ellen. I'm using this Rhode lip balm. This is the Peptide Lip Treatment in Watermelon Slice. And look right here, if it'll focus. Phoebe got a hold of this one time and put one little hole in it with her tiny teeth. This is how my hair dries when I don't brush it. I don't know if you can tell in this lighting. My natural hair is actually very curly. Sometimes I want to leave it like this and just not even style it. Maybe I will. Today's agenda is getting the house kind of clean. Today's Sunday. Kind of going to be like a getting my life together day. We all need one of those it's kind of like a getting my life together vibe for the day. I've already started some laundry. I am getting the house ready not getting the house ready. I'm cleaning the house. It needs to be cleaned. My friend Kay is sending me pictures of her dog. This is Harvey. Look at him. I'm doing that thing that's annoying where I just like tell you what I'm gonna do for the day and then don't actually like show you. So let me show you some things around the house. I've been planning for my brand's first like photo shoot, like the photo shoot that will be the launch, and I'm so scared and excited. And I've been like ordering things to use, like props and stuff, and I got, Target yesterday was having like a huge sale. So I got this pool and also got a bunch of balloons, or not balloons, beach balls. What am I talking about? That's not gonna make any sense because that's gonna feel like it's a summer thing and it's not. You'll just have to wait and see for the vibes. Another thing I got, I'm doing this unboxing on TikTok, but I'm gonna show you now. The vlog family is gonna know first. I ordered this on Depop. These are hard to find in this condition. I got these on Depop and I've just been Depopping everything lately. This is the note they sent me. I love this. I'm so happy these shoes are going to a new home to get the moment they deserve. And they will have their moment. The Tumblr girlies know. These are the moment of 2014 Tumblr. Not only are these have never been worn, like not a single like sign of wear. They came with the original laces, unused. The rainbow ones and the cream ones. Like, hello? Hello? I will be wearing these. These are gonna make me like 6 feet tall. But I don't care because I couldn't afford these back in 2014 when I was on Tumblr, like 2012. So I'm just healing my inner teenager now at this point. Or, how old was I? I'm gonna be like, how old was I when I was on Tumblr? Like 17? Whatever. She is being healed these days. I'm also doing, did I show this yesterday? I'm working with Spirit Halloween again this year and I'm doing Greta Gremlin. And this is the costume. I emailed them and I was like, can I like cut this up or like change the costume a little bit? I also didn't realize it came with the wig, so that's gonna be interesting to make that work. Usually I do my wigs and I like mess with them a lot before. So while we're unboxing things, I also got used to the People's Kombucha 10% AHA Power Exfoliant. And Tower 28 sent over their Make Waves mascara. I think I'm gonna do my nails today and film it because I don't like these. I know I did these like in last week's vlog. I'm already over it. Oh my goodness, Anya, you eating some food back. Good morning. I went grocery shopping yesterday. Look what they have. Delicata squash already. I can't believe it's fall already, and I'm gonna be using this squash to make my favorite toast. The fall toast that I first had at, what's that one restaurant called? I can't think of it. They like have a lot of bread. LPQ, I had it there. It's like delicata squash. I'll make it, I'll show it to you in the next vlog. So come back next week if you're interested in seeing my favorite fall toast breakfast. What else did I get grocery shopping? Nothing too exciting for groceries that you haven't already probably seen me have before, but I talked with my doctor a little bit. I have a more like intense appointment coming up on Thursday. And I talked to him and he says that I need to be doing like a high fiber, high protein diet. Try and heal some of my adrenal issues and my insulin resistance, apparently, which is super common in people who have thyroid problems and inflammation going on. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw my disgusting oat milk incident that I had this week. Crying, screaming, throwing up. I will never, I'm never buying oat milk again. That was horrifying. Like, I don't even want coffee. Like, my body wants coffee, but like I'm not gonna have it because I'm scared now. Even though I know it wasn't the coffee, it was the oat milk. Okay, I've got to get to work and clean the house. I'm going to my mom's tonight for girls' night. Girls' night plus Jace. For now, I've got to clean my house. It's a mess. I'm like tidying up and stuff, and I sat down to do my nails because I just was like getting out of breath. And I don't know if you are gonna believe this or not, but I also hate the nails that I just did. I don't have time to redo them because I'm going to my mom's. They're just red. I have no vibe, I have no life right now. So I'm just leaving them. This is what I look like for the day. Like, this mirror is in our hallway now because it needs to go to a new home. But I don't think my mom's put it on Facebook Marketplace yet. I'm in like our little laundry room area and I have a daunting task because, does anyone else do this? Like, you do your laundry and if it sits in the dryer and it's still damp, like it's gonna smell bad, so you have to like make sure it's dry and then get it out, but you don't want to fold it yet. So you put it on top of the dryer and then you're gonna have to come back to it and fold it. That's where I'm at right now. I also have more stuff in the dryer right now. There's towels, so I'm just going to pile it a little bit further. You know, when you see people, I love that it's just like my head here for this part of the vlog. You know, when you see people online like cleaning their house, but like their house is already spotless and you're like, where was the cleaning part? They're like Sunday reset and their house is already just like, looks like a staged home. I just saw a girl's TikTok that was a Sunday reset, and I love her house. It's so cute, or her apartment, and she always does those videos where it's like night routine, and I'm like, is your house that clean all the time? Like, whose house is that clean all the time? I get my house clean for one day and not even by myself. Like, I need help to get my house completely clean because I thrive in chaos. So like when I'm doing a makeup look or planning for something, I like to bring it all to one area and kind of like scatter it around and be like, okay, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. And to me that works. Like in my brain I know like, okay, all my things are right here. Apparently that's not how everyone does things. Jace will always be like, can you clear off the table? Like, the table is not your project area. And I'm like, actually, it's my table and I can do what I want. But then I clean it up, you know, have to be a good wife. So I know for a fact this towel, I mean this, hello, can I even think? This blanket that I'm trying to dry is not going to dry in one sitting. I really wish that there was more to vlog about this week, and this is another reason why I feel like I don't, like, I love vlogging and I love looking back on the videos, but I feel like at this point in my life, like this era right now is a lot of me doing things that I can't show because it's like I haven't announced things yet, and I know how annoying that is being like a viewer, so I feel frustrated for me and for you. But I've been working on styling the shoot for my brand, one of my brands, and it's going to be so cool. I really can't show you literally anything except for this is one of the spots where we're gonna shoot it. This gives no information. Like if you saw this, you're like, what the hell is happening here? It's an empty, creepy looking place. I also ordered these. This is like giving no context at all. You're gonna be so confused. Look at these slippers. Are you kidding? I will wear these every day. I know I've already talked about, I think I did TikTok live and I talked about what the brand is kind of, but really gave no information. I just wonder if anyone can guess like the vibes. The shoot is gonna be in like less than 2 weeks. Wait, yeah, less than 2 weeks. I have no models booked. My makeup artist doesn't know if she's gonna be in town. I have no hair person. All I have is a vibe and a dream right now. So my mom and I have been working really hard on this brand. I can't wait to see it come to life, and I just, fingers crossed that the shoot is gonna work out. Waiting for my mom to pick me up now. She's never tells me when she's on her way. She just like expects me to be ready. So I'm just waiting.
Till the morning.